Hello everyone, I am Allie and I am a domestic wannabe. My 2024 has not started the way I had anticipated. I came down with what must have been a flu bug right before New Year's, and it has held on tight. And I'm still getting over a pretty harsh cough left over from it, but I am feeling a ton better. The video that we are watching is me doing some micro cleaning during not feeling well. It was hard to stay on top of things. We all came down with a bug. And even though I had big lofty goals for the first 2 weeks of the year, I had to just accept that the new goal was just getting my body to feel better and keep getting my family all healthy. So we just took it one day at a time. There was one day I decided I need this kitchen picked up. So I started working on getting everything picked up, and once I got the dishes loaded, I decided I need the sink shined. And if you've been following me for a while, I started learning about cleaning routines from a few different creators, and one being the FlyLady. And one of her pillars that she stands on is having a shiny sink. And I have to say, I agree with her. It is a delight to wake up and have no dishes in the sink and have it looking nice. And I have a white porcelain sink, so part of shining my sink is getting rid of all the stains that build up throughout the week. When I am able to remodel and get a new sink, I do not think I will do another white porcelain sink, because look at that staining. That's just like maybe a week and a half of stains from coffee, food, all of it. It stains very quickly. Not a huge fan, but I do love my 3-part sink. I love it. It comes with having to be cleaned a little bit more often, destained more often, I should say. Anyway, I decided the sink is going to be shined. Even if I'm not feeling good, the sink is going to look good, feel good. So I went to work on it. And once I finished up the sink, I decided I wanted to also make sure the stovetop was cleaned. Another area that it gathers crumbs and grease, things like that. So if I was just going to do some micro cleaning, these were the spaces I was going to get done to make them really shine and just make me feel accomplished. Even though I was accomplishing a lot, getting myself healthy was really the main focus, and keeping up with all of the work that I do for my jobs. Aside from getting content created for my YouTube, which was one of the things I was really planning on being consistent with. But my body and my voice had different plans. But I'm back. And I'm very excited.
You came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since
one of the points that I really want to stress is, even though I have big lofty goals and expectations of myself, sometimes it is okay to give yourself some grace. And I will keep saying it over and over again, because I was guilty for a long time of not allowing myself to be okay not getting everything on the checklist, everything that I expected of myself done. And I'd beat myself up over it. Like they say, talk to yourself the way you talk to a friend. And I wasn't always good at that. And I have decided that that is just not how life should be. And things happen in life. We have setbacks. We have things that need to be put on hold because of other priorities. And I feel like I've been on repeat lately, but I know that I'm not the only person that's ever done this to myself. So if I can be that little voice that says, you know what, even something small is something. Even just getting the sink shined is something. Even if you put a bunch of dirty dishes back in the sink like you can see here, it is something. Keep it up, keep going. Tomorrow's a brand new day, and in my case, I'm feeling better and I am ready to start tackling all the things on my list that I'm excited to take care of. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.
peace of mind, a foolish heart.